Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to check if someone else is monitoring your chat on WhatsApp, be it your wife, your husband, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, etc. To start with, open WhatsApp. There's a three dots at the top. Click on it. Tap on linked devices, the third option. Yes, under normal circumstances you are not supposed to see anything at the bottom over here. This Google Chrome into bracket Windows, you are not supposed to see it over there. But how come am I seeing it over here? I logged on to my WhatsApp on WhatsApp using WhatsApp web on my laptop. That's how come I'm seeing this over here. So under normal circumstances you are not supposed to see anything over here. So in case you've seen some over on your screen, then it means someone use your WhatsApp to or link your WhatsApp on his or her device. Then when this happens, it means someone is monitoring your WhatsApp for you. So in case you don't want that to happen, or you've seen this on your WhatsApp, meanwhile you are not the one that done it, then what you do is you have to click on it, then you log out. You click on the logout over there and log out. But in this case I did mine myself, so I am not going to log out. So thank you for watching. I'm Obed Hacker.